Greetings. E-commerce Part 2 deals with the e-commerce payment systems. E-commerce payment systems. E-commerce sites use electronic payment, where electronic payment refers to paperless monetary transactions. Electronic payment has revolutionized the business processing by reducing the paperwork, transaction costs, and labor cost. Being user-friendly and less time-consuming than manual processing, it helps business organizations to expand its market reach and expansion. Listed below are some of the modes of electronic payments. They are credit card, debit card, smart card, e-money, and electronic funds transfer. First, we will deal with credit card. Payment using credit card is one of the most common mode of electronic payment for e-commerce systems. Credit card is a small plastic card with a unique number attached with an account. It has also a magnetic strip embedded in it, which is used to read credit card via card readers. When a customer purchases a product via credit card issuer bank pays on behalf of the customer, and customer has a certain time period after which he or she can pay the credit card bill. Following are the actors in the credit card system. They are the credit card holder, that is the customer, the merchant, the seller of product who can accept credit card payments from the customers, the card issuer bank, the bank which issues the card to the credit card holder, the acquirer bank, the merchant's bank, the card brand, for example, Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, etc. Credit card payment process. It includes some 6-7 steps. The first step deals with bank issues and activates a credit card to the customer on his or her request. Step 2. The customer presents the credit card information to the merchant site or to the merchant from whom he or she wants to purchase a product or service. Then the merchant validates the customer identity by asking for approval from the card brand company. Next, the card brand company authenticates the credit card and pays the transaction by credit. Merchant gives the sales slip. Merchant submits the sales slip to acquire banks and gets the service charges paid to him or her. Then the acquirer bank requests the card brand company to clear the credit amount and gets the payment. Finally, the card brand company asks to clear the amount from the issuer bank and the amount gets transferred to the card brand company. Next comes debit card. Debit card, like credit card, is a small plastic card with a unique number mapped with the bank account number. It is required to have a bank account before getting debit card from the bank. The major difference between a debit card and a credit card is that in case of payment through debit card, the amount gets deducted from the card's bank account immediately, and there should be sufficient balance in the bank account for the transaction to get completed. Whereas in case of a credit card transaction, there is no such compulsion. Debit cards free the customer to carry cash and checks. Even merchants accept a debit card readily. Having a restriction on the amount that can be withdrawn in a day using a debit card helps the customer to keep a check on his or her spending. Next comes smart card. The smart card is again similar to a credit card or a debit card in appearance, but it has a small microprocessor chip embedded in it. It has a capacity to store a customer's work-related and/or personal information. Smart cards are also used to store money, and the amount gets deducted after every transaction. Smart cards can only be accessed using a PIN that every customer is assigned with. Smart cards are secure as they store information in encrypted format and are less expensive and provides faster processing. Montex and Visa cash cards are examples of smart cards. E-money. E-money transactions refer to situation where payment is done over the network and the amount gets transferred from one financial body to another financial body without any involvement of a middleman. E-money transactions are faster, convenient, and saves a lot of time. Online payments done via credit cards, debit cards, or smart cards are examples of e-money transactions. Another popular example is e-cash. In case of e-cash, both customer and merchant have to sign up with the bank or company issuing e-cash. Electronic funds transfer. It is a very popular electronic payment method to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account. Accounts can be in the same bank or different banks. Fund transfer can be done using ATM, automated teller machine, or using a computer. Nowadays, internet-based EFT is getting popular. That is, electronic fund transfer is getting popular. In this case, a customer uses the website provided by the bank, logs into the bank's website, and registers another bank account. He or she then places a request to transfer certain amount to that account. Customer's bank transfers the amount to other account if it is in the same bank. Otherwise, the transfer request is forwarded to an ACH, that is automated clearing housing, to transfer the amount to another account, and the amount is deducted from the customer's account. Once the amount is transferred to another account, the customer is notified of the fund transferred by the bank. Thank you.